Picture this: a vital piece of your farm property needs a fix, and fast. Whether it is a fence line, a barn roof, or an irrigation system, the clock starts ticking the moment a repair becomes necessary. You want to address it effectively, but also fairly, ensuring everyone involved understands the process. A fair timeline for farm property repairs is not a fixed number of days, but rather a mutually agreed upon duration that considers the nature of the repair, its urgency, and the practicalities of getting it done. The core idea is to find a balance between efficiency and thoroughness, protecting the value of the property and the success of farm operations. The why behind this flexibility is rooted in several practical considerations unique to farm environments. First, the type and complexity of the repair play a huge role. Replacing a broken window pane is vastly different from overhauling an aging drainage system or repairing structural damage to a barn. Second, resource availability, such as specialized contractors, specific materials, or even the right heavy equipment, can introduce significant lead times. Third, weather conditions are a major factor, as outdoor repairs often depend on suitable temperatures, dryness, or a break in the planting or harvesting schedule. Finally, the immediate impact on farm operations or safety dictates how urgently a repair must be prioritized, influencing the speed at which work begins and progresses. To establish a fair timeline, start by clearly communicating the issue as soon as it is identified. Obtain a minimum of 2 to 3 professional quotes from qualified contractors, as these estimates will include projections for both material acquisition and labor completion. Factor in the time needed to secure necessary permits, if any, and consider any existing lease agreement clauses regarding maintenance responsibilities and response times. Open discussion and transparency are your best tools here, ensuring all parties, like landlord and tenant, are on the same page from the outset. An often overlooked but valuable detail in managing farm repairs is the concept of preventative maintenance. By proactively addressing potential issues through regular inspections and scheduled upkeep, you can often mitigate the need for urgent, time-sensitive, and more costly emergency repairs. Furthermore, for very large or complex projects, always clarify if a contract includes a force majeure clause, which protects against unforeseen delays caused by events beyond human control, such as extreme weather or supply chain disruptions. This helps set realistic expectations for all involved. Ultimately, a fair repair timeline is about clear, proactive communication and a well-documented agreement. By understanding the influencing factors, seeking professional input, and having an open dialogue, you can ensure repairs are completed efficiently, preserving the functionality and long-term value of the farm property for everyone involved.